हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे विल वी डिस्कस अबाउट स्टडी स्किल्स। ओके, आज का हमारा टॉपिक है स्टडी स्किल्स। स्टडी स्किल्स और स्टडी strategy are techniques that can be learned and applied to all or most fields of study. They are approach applied to learning and generally critical for success in schools. They are considered essential for acquiring good grades and useful for learning throughout one's life. The study skills are an array of skills that tackle the process of organizing and taking in new information, retaining it, and also dealing with assessments. They include mnemonics, which assist in the retention of lists of information, effective reading, concentration techniques, and efficient note taking. Broadly speaking, any skill that boosts a person's ability to study and pass examination can be termed as a study skill. Along with time management and motivational techniques, there are various other factors that are included in study skills. इंडिविजुअल लर्निंग स्टाइल क्या होती है? एवरी पर्सन हैज़ अ डिफरेंट यूनिक लर्निंग preferences and styles that suits them. Each individual prefers their own learning style in varying circumstances. In fact, there is no right or wrong learning style. What matters is the learning style that is best for you or mix of style. However, by discovering and better understanding one's own learning pattern, can employ techniques that will improve the rate and quality of learning. Okay. Next, key learning styles. First है visual यानी स्पेशल लर्निंग स्टाइल, लर्निंग थ्रू इमेजरी एंड स्पेशल अंडरस्टैंडिंग. नेक्स्ट ओरल लर्निंग स्टाइल. नेक्स्ट वर्बल लर्निंग, फिजिकल लर्निंग, लॉजिकल, सोशल और सॉलिटरी लर्निंग. ओके, तो हम फर्स्ट पढ़ेंगे विजुअल लर्निंग स्टाइल. लर्निंग थ्रू इमेजरी एंड स्पेशल अंडरस्टैंडिंग. Visual learners prefer lessons that employ imagery to teach. These learners retain information better when it is presented in pictures, videos, graphs, and books. Visual learners benefit when the information is presented, preferably by a projector or given on the whiteboard. These learners make sure that their notes are in detailed format and they put in extra efforts in reviewing information from text books. They supplement their learning by frequently drawing pictures, diagrams when trying to comprehend or memorize a subject. नेक्स्ट है ओरल लर्निंग स्टाइल. यानी कि ऑडिटरी लर्निंग थ्रू लिसनिंग, साउंड एंड म्यूजिक. Oral auditory learners retain information better when it is presented in lecture format, through speech, audio recordings, and other forms of verbal communications. These learners have preference to attend lecture or listen to recorded books. They are also big on sound and music. Atypical singers can play instruments and can identify different sounds. Okay. Replacing the lyrics of favorite songs with the information to be learned is a very powerful way to memorize large amount of information for oral learners. This is an interesting and useful technique to retain information. Next, a verbal learning style. This learning style involves both writing and speaking. People who are verbal learners usually find it easy to express themselves both in writing and verbally. The followers of verbal learning style love to read, write, enjoy rhymes, tongue twisters, and limericks. These learners have a good developed vocabulary and are able to assimilate new words into their vocabulary with considerable ease. Reading aloud the concerned subject matter is useful for the verbal learners. They can also employ techniques that are word based, such as scripting and assertion. These are effective strategy for improving memory and recall of verbal learners. They can also use acronym mnemonics to memorize lists and sequence. Next, a physical learning style. Okay, learning through hands-on tactile interaction. Physical learners are kinesthetic or tactile learners retain information best through hands-on interaction and participations. They need to experience things. In an automotive repair class, a physical learner would learn better working directly on cars than sitting through a lecture or reading a book about car. The physical learners excel in learning when they are assigned to work in labs. The physical learner should employ touch, action, traction, and hands-on involvement in their studies and learning activities. Next, logical learning style. The logical learners are individuals who excel in maths and possesses strong logical reasoning skills. They are quick to notice patterns and have a keen ability to link information that would seem non-related by others. These learners retain details better by drawing corrections after organizing an instrument of information. The logical learners should maximize their ability to learn by seeking to understand the meaning and reason behind the subject being studied. They should not depend on rote memorization, should explore the links between related subject matter, and should try to understand all the details. The use of system thinking would help better understand the relationship between various parts of the system. This would further facilitate to understand the bigger picture, will help understand why each component part is important. Next, the social learning style. The social learners have excellent written and verbal communication skills. Such individuals are at ease when speaking to others and are also adept at comprehending other people's perspectives. They learn best working with groups and each opportunities to personally meet the teachers. The social learners are quick to bounce their ideas off others. They are quite successful in working through issues in a group. They enjoy group work and prefer doing group studies. Next, a solitary learning style. The solitary learners prefer working alone by themselves to private settings. They are never independent on other while studying or problem solving. This themselves analyze their learning preferences and methods. Since these Learners prefer to work alone. There are chances for them to waste time on difficult problems before seeking assistance. However, solitary learning can be very effective learning style for students. For the learners, it is very important to get the most of the studying time. It would be very helpful to identify their own respective preferred learning style and then utilize it to the fullest. The key to become an effective student is learning to know how to study smarter, not harder. This is applicable as you advance in education. The vast majority of successful students achieve their success by developing and applying effective study habits. In order to increase knowledge and the ability to learn, improve assimilated information, the following habits can be very helpful. Do not attempt to memorize all your studying in one session. The successful student typically space their work over a short period of time. They do not try to give a go in one attempt. You need to be consistent in studies and have regular and short study periods. Plan when you are going to study. The successful student schedule and set a specific time for the whole week, and when they are going to study, then they stick to the schedule. Where students who do not have a definite study plans and they do sporadic study usually do not perform well. These efforts that outline habits, if adopted, would see a major improvement in the students' academic success. Along with these, do exercise, eat right, and get plenty of sleep. Going to bed on an hour early would make all the difference the next day in your ability to make the best use of your time. Okay, thank you for watching.